Welcome back to Whiz. In today's video, can you guess the food and drinks by emoji? We prepare 50 questions and you have 10 seconds to find the answer. Before starting, please subscribe the Whiz channel for more exciting quiz. Let's go. First question. Yes, you are correct. It is pancake. Do you think you can solve this? Well done. Turkey and gravy. Next question. Grape juice. Can you guess the food by emoji? You are right. Cheeseburger. Wine. Question number 6. Sandwich. Guess the food. Yes, you are correct. Banana bread. Do you think you can solve this? Yes, this is meatball. Can you solve this? Pizza. Guess the food. Cheese ball. Yes, this is sushi. Any guess? You are correct. This is Taco Bell. Next question. Cinnamon roll. Can you guess this? This is bread. Next one. Shrimp cocktail. Guess the food. Cornbread. Question number 17. Well done. Mulled wine. Any guess? Yes, this is popcorn. I love this. Moon pie. Next. Candy cane. Do you think you can solve this? Iowa. Mixed nuts. Guess the food. Chocolate cookies. Question number 25. It is roasted carrot. Next question. Hot dog. Can you solve this? Chocolate peppermint bark. Guess the food. Well done. It is figgy pudding. Pomegranate juice. Next question. Yes, you are good. It is sugar cookies. Can you guess this drink? Cranberry punch. What is this? Yes, this is onion ring. Guess this. Mashed potato. Can you solve this? Chicken wings. Question number 36. Cheesy pasta. Next question. Garlic bread. Coconut milk. Next. Fish and chips. Can you solve this? Well done, honey chicken. Guess this drink. Fish soup. Do you know what is this? You are right. It is lobster. Guess this one. Milkshake. This is very easy. What is this? Corn flakes. Question number 45. Pie. Next question. Cookie. What is this? Tuna salad. Can you solve this? Rice. Last and final question. Well done. It is buttermilk.
How many marks you got? Please comment. Take your next challenge and subscribe Whiz channel.